Oh, there he is. I found him. Freaking lost, bro. What's going on, everybody? This is what happens when you go to meet somebody and you take the wrong turn. I've been stuck on this gravel road now for about, I'd say about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. It started out as asphalt, but I'm up here up in the hood and the holla, up in the mountains, on the way to meet a buddy to go ride the Devil's Triangle, and I thought I knew where I was going to as far as meet point wise, but looks like I didn't, because I'm on a gravel road, and like you can't go fast because it's got its washerboard everywhere, so it's sitting here thumping me around. The tires keep sliding. You know, this would be a good dual sport road though. I mean, whoa, that went down, but the road goes all the way down there. Like, I seriously have no idea how I ended up on this road. This couldn't be quicker than going back the way I came. I was going at a much faster rate of speed than I am now. I'm doing 17 now. But let's see, washboard. Watch my GPS go out and then I'll be screwed. I'm not a big fan of gravel roads on street bikes. Not a big fan at all. Got my new suit on today, guys. People, everybody. It's starting to get warm because I ain't got no airflow. I just want to get off this freaking gravel road. Like, oh man, we're in neutral. How the heck did we get in neutral? Jeez. I'm gonna have a death wish today. But yeah, I'm out here in Morgan County right now, making my way to the Devil's Triangle, and I turned on the road. It told me to go 3 miles. Oh, look, there's asphalt. We're back to asphalt again. Heck yeah. Meet up with my buddy Scott. We're gonna go hit the triangle. Gonna work on my lean angles. Oh yeah, we're back on asphalt now. Heck yeah. Just get me. I mean, this road is like a 1-lane sketchy road. 1,000 feet. I gotta turn right, guys. At least the GPS is working. Getting lost up on the mountain. Oh, man, this road sucks. This road sucks. Hey, I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at now. I know exactly where I'm at now. Man, I am so mad. Oh, there he is. I found him. Freaking lost, bro. Oh, that sucked. Alright, I got lost. Yeah, man. Looking at the GPS.